Hi, I'm Apurva Bharadwaj, breast cancer survivor. I was diagnosed with breast cancer when I was 29 years old. 1.5 years into our marriage, and this life-threatening disease happened. The world shook. Everything was upside down for us. We were not able to understand what is happening, why it is happening. With no history in our families, we were clueless where to go, what to do. And that's when our run from one hospital to another and to another city happened. We almost tried 3 to 4 hospitals in Delhi NCR, and then we went to Mumbai. Everybody was giving us the same treatment plan, but nobody was giving us assurance. I was not satisfied. A family friend told us to visit to Dr. Bhuvan.
So, I have a very distinct memory of Apurva. She had walked into the clinic late evening as a young, full of energy girl who had been diagnosed with a locally advanced breast cancer in her 30s, or rather at the age of 30. The question and the doubt was not that whether she will be able to tolerate the chemotherapy, which she rather did fairly well. I think the bigger issues in her were the survivorship issues. It's a young girl who is in a prime of her age. We are all the most physically fit at the age of 30, where we have learned to control our impulses, follow a healthy lifestyle, and she rather used to follow a healthy lifestyle.
And the very next day, we started with my first chemo. I was scared. I was very scared, but there was a hope. There was a light that was saying कि नहीं हो जाएगा पूर्वा, सब ठीक होगा पूर्वा. And gradually, it started. First chemo down. It was not that difficult.
So, she tolerated the chemotherapy fairly well, and then, she had a good response. She underwent surgery and, had a bit of a residual disease, which you do expect in a majority of the hormone-positive women.
The strength that he has given me, he has not just treated me successfully, he has treated me with love, care. It was always in my mind, agar kuch problem hogi, to Dr. Bhuvan hai. And he was there. There were nights in fever, 104, and my husband pinging him at 4 in the night, and he's like, yes, do this. He took the case so personally, and it's not just with me. I met multiple friends over here, and everybody has the same experience. He takes care of you so personally that you won't feel alone.
All the gratitude and all the love to my wife as well, who handled this entire treatment with a beautiful smile, with such strength and positivity that we never got that feeling of negativity. We all the treatment got passed so easily. So yeah, so thanks to Max, thanks to all the staff, thanks to all the doctors. Thank you so much.
And I wish her best of luck in her life. And I think it's been lovely having treated her and being associated with her. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.